Are you dealing with an Achilles repair and trying to get back to being able to do a single leg calf raise? Then this video is going to show you the easiest, simplest progression that you can do to make that happen. All that we need to do is manipulate gravity. Start with 2 feet, lowest level of gravity resistance as possible so I can get all the way onto the ball of my foot, and then slowly start adding more resistance via gravity. You can use your hands as assist as long as you need to go through a full range of motion, but once you can go through a full range of motion in standing, 2 feet, hands unassisted, then we go and repeat that process back through on a single leg, taking gravity away, using hand assistance as much as we need to, and gradually adding more resistance by manipulating gravity into the upright position. Now, if you're dealing with an Achilles issue, Achilles pain, Achilles repair, and you'd like more help, a specific program laid out, designed just for you, email me, greg@sportsrehabexpert.com, and we can talk about what developing a fitness program looks like after dealing with an injury or dealing with a Achilles repair. You don't have to be pain-free. You don't have to have full function again to work on these concepts. As a physical therapist and a strength coach, I know how to bridge the gap and help return you back to the highest level of ability. Again, just email me, greg@sportsrehabexpert.com, and we can discuss what that would look like for you.